ladies and gentlemen, esteemed dignitaries from Rotary Club, our faculty members, and most importantly, our very dear, vibrant, passionate students of this club. A very good afternoon and welcome to this 6th installation ceremony of Rotaract Club of NMIMS Sunrise. This installation ceremony of the new team is not just the passing of the baton, but the continuation of legacy built on the pillars of service, leadership, and community. The Rotaract Club of NMIMS Sunrise, established in 2018, has grown into a beacon of hope and action within our community. As a non-profit organization, it embodies the very essence of youth empowerment, providing our students with a platform to develop professional and leadership skills, promote ethical standards, and make meaningful contributions to the society. The motto, service above self, is not just a phrase, but a guiding principle that our members live by every day. Reflecting on the past year, 23-24, I recount the remarkable achievements of our Rotaract Club. Under the able leadership of the outgoing president, Mr. Bhattacharya, and his dedicated team, the club not only met but exceeded expectations in its service to the community. One of the standout events of the year was Umeed 2.0, our blood donation drive and thalassemia check initiative. This initiative, held this year in 2024, was an example of what can be achieved with passion that meets purpose. Collaborating with the Rotary Club of Navi, Mumbai Sunrise, D.Y. Patil Hospital and Urban Blood Bank, our club organized an event that went beyond numbers, collecting 119 units of blood, surpassing our target was no small feat. It was a life-saving effort that resonated with the core values of our institution. Umeed 2.0 was more than just an event. It displayed the power of collective effort and support of our NMIMS community. Another crowning achievement was Nirvana 2.0, a musical extravaganza that celebrated the artistic talents of our students. With a footfall of 2,500 attendees, this event was a celebration of unity, creativity, and youthful exuberance. Nirvana 2.0 provided a platform for our budding artists to showcase their talent. It was an oasis of creativity, reminding us of the importance of balance between academics and arts. We also celebrated the success of our 5th installation ceremony in September 2023, which marked the beginning of a new Rotaract year. This ceremony was a powerful reminder of the continuity of our club's legacy and our commitment to service. The presence of esteemed guests, including Rotarian Adil Khan and Rotarian Amarendra Shah, added gravitas to the event, inspiring us to aim higher and achieve more. As we look forward to the new Rotaract year, I extend my heartfelt thanks to Mr. Bhattacharya and his team for this exemplary work. You have set a high bar for the incoming team, and your contributions will be remembered for years to come. To the incoming president, Ms. Archa Menon, and your team, congratulations. You have the honor and responsibility of leading this extraordinary club into its next chapter. I have no doubt that under your leadership, the Rotaract Club of NMIMS Sunrise will continue to thrive, making an even greater impact on our community and beyond. I urge all of you to continue supporting our Rotaract Club with the same enthusiasm and dedication. Together, let us uphold the values of service, leadership, and excellence, and let us continue to make a difference in the lives of others. My best wishes and thank you so much.